I was sent this book to review and really excited to get my hands on it. I actually invested in a Section 8 property this year, and I think the tips and tricks in here are awesome. I wish I would have had this book before I got that rental, but it is very, very good. It's a very easy read. So it's about 136 pages, very easy to flip through. There's really good information in here. It also has a really good table of contents. So just say there's something specific that you're looking for, you can flip to that section, but there's a lot of really good information in here on exactly what Section 8 is, what are your legal requirements if you are having a property that is government backed and low income housing, what exactly are your requirements and specifications. It has information regarding handling difficult tenants and drafting up a lease. That's super important with Section 8 and really any property, but making sure that you have a good plan for maximizing your financials, and then also exit strategies. Is there ever a point in time that you're going to want to sell these properties? What's the best way to go about that? So I thought this was really, really good. Definitely something that I'm going to keep in my bookshelf just to make sure that I have this for reference for future purchases.